So all of a sudden, Genji's become the hero of this picture, this stage, isn't it? Generally, in every movie, life is a movie basically. Life is a stage. That's what Erving Goffman says. In this stage, all of a sudden, Genji's become hero. And before that, in all the movies, adults used to become the heroes, right? Now the kids become hero, and these kids, as they abuse, गाली देते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. So there's a narrative that is being pushed that says that Gen Zs are more abusive. शर्म ही नहीं है इनको. कितनी गंदी गंदी गालियां देते हैं, किसी को भी दे देते हैं. कितने बड़े हैं, 70 साल के, 75 साल के, उनको भी गालियां दे देते हैं. Now actually, this idea that is being pushed that these are more abusive, हम तो ऐसे नहीं थे, तो किसी ने अपने आप को देखा ही नहीं कभी. एक्चुअल बात ये है, किसी ने अपने आप के ऊपर सोचा ही नहीं. वो हमेशा से ही जज करते आए हैं कि हम तो ठीक हैं, ये अगली जनरेशन हमेशा से खराब है. पहले वाली जनरेशन हमेशा अगली वाली जनरेशन को खराब ही बताएगी. वो होता ही आया है. अभी आपको भी सेम ही बात बोला जा रहा है दैट दीज आर मोर अब्यूजिव. नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज, माय थीसिस इज that abuses, these galis, these slangs were always the part of society, right? ये हमेशा सोसाइटी का इंटीग्रल पार्ट रहा है. कभी भी ऐसा नहीं था कि गालियां नहीं थी. गालियां हमेशा से थी. अब गालियों का अपना अपना फंक्शन है. एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन मैक्स ग्लकमैन बताते हैं दैट अब्यूज इज अ काइंड ऑफ रिचुअल ऑफ रिबेलियन. रिचुअल ऑफ रिबेलियन सर्व टू फंक्शंस. वन, इट एक्नॉलेजेस अथॉरिटी, एंड टू, इट हेल्प्स इन वेंटिलेशन. जब कोई किसी को गाली देता है तो वो एक्नॉलेज कर लेता है तू मुझसे पावरफुल है और मैं तेरा वैसे तो कुछ बिगाड़ नहीं सकता, तो ये ले. राइट? इट्स अ वर्बल वायलेंस एक्चुअली. अब्यूज इज अ काइंड ऑफ verbal violence, and that basically satisfy the ego जो गाली दे रहा है उसको. It may trigger some violence also, that can happen. That's altogether a different game, but according to Max Gluckman, these abuses serve a very important function. These are kind of rituals of rebellion. And rituals of rebellion you can understand in multiple ways. Cartoon is also a ritual of rebellion. जो political cartoon आते हैं वो भी kind of ritual of rebellion ही है. वो भी एक तरह की abuse ही है, slang है, satire है. Right? So rituals of rebellion, or you can say abuses, do play a very important role, and that's why they are part of the societies from always. But the thing is that in my generation, there was a clear distinction between what you call private and what you call public. But in your generation, private become public because of the transformations by digital media. The boundary between your private life and your public life disappeared. And all of a sudden what happened, those abuses that were part of the private sphere of your life, they become public. Right? Everything that you do, आप फोटो खींचते हो इंस्टाग्राम पे डाल देते हो. Right? Whatever you're doing, सब कुछ इंस्टा पे और फेसबुक पे. That means the boundary is collapsed. And this boundary collapse basically caused that kind of narrative, or you can say that kind of understanding among the people कि next generation ज़्यादा abusive है. Abuse हमेशा से था. तो गाली हर टाइम पे दी जाती रही है, हर जनरेशन में दी जाती रही है. But now those galis become part of public aspect, right? Earlier it was part of private life. We are not to judge anyone if someone is abusing someone or not, right? Our purpose is not to intimidate someone. Our purpose is just to analyze the social phenomena. Whatever is happening, we are just trying to make sense of it. Why it is happening?